Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. We all took a massive hit today on crypto. Not really freaking out too much because everybody that follows me or even on Patreon, we have been looking at Bitcoin on the weekly chart, and it does look like it's going to maybe create a bear push to the downside. We all obviously my indicators and my setup is live for all my Patreons, and we've all been looking at this setup for a while now. But as of right now, I'm not really freaking out too much. I do think that we're going to see another drop possibly today. I checked the 30-minute chart. It looks like Bitcoin is reacting pretty well to that chart, and it seems like we might actually have another sell-off. I don't know how big, but it looks like we might have another push to the downside sometime today. So I'm kind of looking, I'm just looking out to see what happens for the rest of the day. Solana still possibly, Solana and Quant still looking like it's held up the most. But I myself, I lost at peak. I think I lost about 20 grand. Not lost, but my portfolio went down about $20,000 at peak. Right now I'm down only about $14,000. I think my peak balance was 67K. I think yesterday, and that big massive drop happened somewhere between 6 and 7:30 in the morning. So again, not really worried too much, but I do think that after that weekly closes bearish, if we do close bearish on this upcoming Sunday, we are going to see another hit to the downside. I'm thinking somewhere between $40,000 and $36,000 is a possibility for Bitcoin, as well as every other crypto pushing to the downside. But all I'm waiting for is for that for Sunday. I don't really care about what happens from now until then. I'm just waiting for Sunday. That's it. All I'm waiting for is Sunday to see what happens on the weekly TA. And then if Sunday we do end up closing a bearish week, that's signal enough for me to let me know that we are probably going to see that 30% correction. That's what I'm thinking. But as of right now, like I said, not freaking out too much. Just had we all just had a major sell-off in the morning, and I'm sure a lot of people are freaking out. And I think there was like a 1.2 billion dollars of longs being liquidated from this massive drop. So super crazy stuff. But as long as you're just holding and DCAing on the downside, it doesn't really matter too much. But yeah, I'm expecting another drop off today. I'm expecting another drop off today on Bitcoin, but we'll see what happens. I'll see you later. Bye.